Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. Ladies, how many of you hate strapless bras as much as I do? Well, let me introduce you to Nippies because you're never going to want to wear a strapless bra again. These are self-adhesive nipple covers, and the best part about them is you forget you're wearing them. Isn't that the best type of undergarment? One that you put on and then don't have to think about? These are very sticky. I've worn them up to 12 hours. Never once did I feel like they were coming off. So you can be confident that no matter what garment you're wearing, you will feel comfortable and modest all day long. I also like to use these as extra padding in bras. So I have sports bras that have removable pads that kind of drive me crazy. So instead of using those, I slide one of these in and it just adds the extra layer of modesty that makes me feel comfortable. Now, personally, I wash these after every use. It's really easy. Just a little bit of mild soap and water, give them a quick rinse, let them air dry. Then they come in this little case, which you definitely want to keep for storage so they're not sticking to other things in your drawer. So do you and your girls a favor. Get you some Nippies and get rid of those annoying strapless bras. And that's my point of view.